Here's how to safely change the blade on the Lumberjack TS1800 Table Saw. Start by disconnecting the power and raising the blade to its highest position. Remove the blade guard and the table insert to access the blade. Engage the arbor lock and rotate the blade until it locks in place. Loosen the arbor nut, remove the flange and take out the blade. You can then fit the new blade onto the arbor, making sure the teeth are facing towards the front of the saw. Refit the flange and tighten the nut securely. Reinstall the table insert and the blade guard. Before powering on, spin the blade by hand just to make sure that everything is moving freely. And that is how to change the blade on the TS1800 Table Saw. If you have any questions about this or any of the other Lumberjack tools, just leave a comment or get in touch through the website.